Chapter 5. Understanding a file. Look at this refrigerator. It has so many fruits, vegetables, milk, etc. in it. Each thing has a name, so if anyone asks you for the banana, you can always easily find it in the refrigerator. In the same way, a computer has many files in it. A file is a collection of data. It can be named. It has information stored in it. Files can be of various types. A file may be a text, image, video, audio, or even a game. File. A computer is an electronic device which takes input, processes it, displays and stores the result. As you know that computers can store a large amount of information. But have you ever wondered how this information is stored? This information is stored in the form of a file. A file on a computer system is a piece of information stored on the system. For example, any text document you create in Notepad and save on your computer is saved as a file. It can be a picture that you draw in Paint. Files are stored in the memory of the computer. A file is referred to by its name called file name. To store information, various storage devices can be used like hard disk, pen drive, etc. Creating a file. Creating a file means making a new document to type on the computer. To create a file, follow the given steps. Step 1. Right-click on the empty space on the desktop. A list will appear. Step 2. Go to the New option. A drop-down will appear. Step 3. Click on the Text Document option. A text document file icon will appear on the desktop. Opening a file. Opening a file means clicking on it to see its contents on the computer screen. Method 1. Step 1. Take your pointer to the file you created. Step 2. Double-click the picture of the file to open it. Method 2. Step 1. Right-click the file. Step 2. A list will appear. Select the Open option. Method 3. Step 1. Select the file using the left mouse button. Step 2. Now press the Enter key on the keyboard. The file will open. Typing in a file. Typing in a file means using the keyboard to write words and numbers inside a document on the computer. Step 1. Notice a blinking black line will appear. It is called a cursor. This is where you can type. Step 2. Use the keyboard to type give text. Step 3. As you press Enter, the cursor will move to the next line. Step 4. Type the next line as given in figure. Similarly, you can write any content in this file. Saving a file. Saving a file means keeping your work safe on the computer so you can use it later. To save a created file, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on the File tab. Step 2. Select the Save As option. Closing the file. Closing a file means quitting the document when you are done using it. Step 1. Click on the Close button to close the file after saving your work. Chapter Highlights. A computer is an electronic device which can store a large amount of information. A file on a computer system is a piece of information stored on the system. Files can hold pictures, songs, videos, and even games. Files are stored in the memory of the computer. A file is referred to by its name called file name. To store information, various storage devices can be used like hard disk, pen drive, etc.